If you have just finished an AI course and you are wondering what now or how do I actually make money with this? This video is your answer. I was exactly where you are 6 months ago. Today, I am going to show you the exact roadmap I followed to go from complete beginner to earning consistent income with AI tools anyone can use. Your first $500 with AI is easier than you think. Forget being a generalist, that's a trap. You become a marketable asset by becoming exceptional at one platform. This week, you will transform from a casual user into a specialist. I do not just want you to know the menus. I need you to develop an intuition so deep, it becomes your superpower. This is your foundation for everything that follows. Your 5 projects are not a scrapbook, they are your first professional inventory. Choose one problem, like creating a weekly newsletter, and solve it 5 different ways using advanced prompting, custom instructions, and automation. This proves depth. Anyone can describe the tool. You will now demonstrate mastery of the craft. Here's what happens next. You choose one of those 3 services. This is your craft, your specialty. Instead of showing generic examples, you will build a focused portfolio that solves a single, burning problem for a real client. You become known for this one solution, which makes you infinitely more valuable than someone who just knows the tools. AI isn't a job killer, it's the fastest starter income you're ignoring. You are not competing with experts. You are targeting clients who are nervous and new to this too. Your first offer is safety and simplicity. Your superpower is using AI to deliver basic, clear results fast. This builds immediate trust and turns a small, first-time project into your most powerful case study. That's how reputations and income are born. This is the only move that matters. You are not hunting for clients. You are identifying the most nervous person in a digital room, the one overwhelmed by choices, and becoming their safe, obvious decision. You sidestep all competition by selling clarity, not complexity. They are buying relief. You deliver it in under an hour with AI. That's the foundation of your first real income. Think of that overwhelmed business owner you know. Maybe they are struggling to post online. What if you showed them the power of a single, perfect piece of AI content created just for their business? You are not pitching a service. You are demonstrating a solution. That immediate value creates a trusting client. This week, find that person and give them a sample. Stop trading time for money. This is the lie they told you. That lie created a scarcity mindset. Now, you are going to exploit it for your first clients. Frame your work with brutal honesty about the limits. Then, deliver results that are shockingly, almost embarrassingly obvious in their value. They will be confused by how much they overpaid. This cognitive dissonance is what creates a fan, not just a customer. They must tell others. Do not just deliver the work. Package it. Structure every interaction to showcase your unique process. The intake form becomes a diagnostic. The delivery deck is a strategic review. This isn't admin, it is a performance. You are not just giving them a document. You are giving them a story they feel compelled to share. That story is your social proof engine. Don't let the conversation end when the file is sent. Your first follow-up isn't a thank you, it is a catalyst. Send a targeted question that pulls out their most profound transformation. A specific, emotional quote from them is worth 1,000 generic 5-star reviews. You are mining for the raw material that builds your credibility on every public-facing platform. Hidden secret: AI success begins by doing everything backwards. Here's how. Now, you've got paying clients and a proven process. This week is about momentum. You'll identify which of your services created the most buzz and client excitement. That specific result is your new specialty. Stop doing everything. Package that winning service and confidently raise your price for it. This is how you turn a project into a real business. Stop the endless custom quotes. Your best service is now a branded offer with one clear price and outcome. You are not just completing tasks, you are selling transformations. This package is your flagship. Double your rate. Why? Because predictable, premium results command premium prices. Your confidence is the new feature. Now, go sell what you have already proven works. Your week 4 target is crystal clear. By this point, you've built undeniable proof. Now, use it. Command a 25% higher rate for your next 3 clients. This isn't a test, it is a power move. Your results justify the increase. This simple act rewires your confidence and their perception. You have earned this authority. Execute the plan. Forget coding, AI income hides in these misunderstood mistakes. The most frustrating truth. Your best case studies come from your worst clients. You will encounter scope creep, endless revisions. Fight that battle. Then, extract the exact process that solved their nightmare. That detailed "how I fixed this" story does not just prove your skill, it automatically repels bad clients and magnetizes your ideal ones, building a self-filtering pipeline. Why would you give away your best knowledge for free? Because your free guide does not just capture emails, it pre-screens clients. The person who downloads it is already signaling their exact problem. This turns every subscriber from a cold lead into a warm, qualified conversation, transforming your list into your shortest, most profitable sales path. But here's what they never tell you, that initial sale is the most expensive one. Your real wealth is built when the work is done. This system isn't about fixing their crisis. It's about owning the peace of mind after. You stop trading hours for dollars and start getting paid for the problem you prevented. That's how value becomes a permanent subscription. Start with one skill and a micro portfolio, not trying to master everything. Your first goal is not perfection, but completion. Get those first few projects done. Client results and testimonials are more valuable than any certificate. Pick one service from week 1 and create your first portfolio sample this week.